Hi, and welcome back to Sexperts. And now we come to the open caller portion of our show. We've got Sasha on the line. Hi, Sasha.
Hi, guys.
Just wondering if you've got a comment or a question for us today.
Well, you've been talking about role-playing a lot this episode. I really want my boyfriend to dress up like Big Bird.
Okay, so what's your question, honey?
Well, I just can't bring it up. I'm afraid of what he'll say.
Well, when it comes to role-playing, I know that Michelle and I try to keep things very open so that when it comes to our different fantasies, we can...
But you can only go as far as each person's willing to participate. Talk to your boyfriend. Explain why the fantasy is important to you and offer something in return.
Hey, you never know. If you're lucky, maybe the idea will give him a big bird.
Okay, moving on to our next caller.
Michael on the line. Michael, go ahead with your question. Hey, Case.
Morning, Dad.
What'd you think of the show last night?
I think you got some grays coming in, Dad.
Dad, can I get through one morning without having to hear about your stupid show?
3 years and she still hates it.
And I always will. Who's this young lady?
That's my girlfriend, Chloe.
Does she even know she's your girlfriend?
Karli?
What? Mom, she's a jockette. I didn't quite think she was Casey's type.
How is that not his type?
Mom, she's a field hockey player.
Yeah, well, she's sexier than any of the cheerleaders.
Casey?
Well, athletes do have great bodies.
True.
All right, that's enough.
So, Mom, Nathan Levine is in town today. He's doing a feature at the gallery and he's doing a meet and greet.
What time is that at?
It's only from 11 till 3.
Oh, well, you'll just have to read about it in the paper tomorrow.
Mom, come on.
Karli, you were just off sick for a week. You are not missing any more classes.
Mom, that's not fair. He's only in town today. I have a ride and everything.
Who's Nathan Levine?
Are you kidding me? He's only one of the greatest pop artists alive.
I could be a pop artist.
Dad, you host a sex show.
You see that cereal you're eating? Sex show.
Okay, then. Karli, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Karli, college applications are due in a month. Please go to class today.
Okay, I will.
Karli, I'm serious.
Mom, I will.
Do you think they even listen to me anymore?
Of course they do. I will see you later.
Hey, Karli, when are you going to get me onto your parents' show?
Go away, Mark.
Well, maybe your mom needs a model or something. What an idiot. So, are you excited to see Levine at the show today?
Yeah, unfortunately, I won't be going.
What?
My mom is all over me about the school crap. Your future this, college applications that.
Well, what about your year off? You haven't mentioned it to them yet?
I will. I'm just dreading the talk about me throwing away my future.
Well, you just have to convince them that you do have aspirations. You just need a year to let them grow.
Yeah, well, going to art school isn't exactly high aspirations for the daughter of 2 former doctors.
You know what'll make you feel better? Seeing Levine today.
Jay? I am not going.
We'll see.
I was hoping I'd catch you guys here. Fail.
Frig off, Tim.
That's the intimidator to you, punks. Here you go, boys. Get your teachers to sign them and bring them to the office to serve your detentions. You know the drill.
What about I take my slip and wipe my ass with it?
Well, then you'd be in for 2 detentions. Plan fail.
Your hall monitor. Fail! Don't sink to his level.
Hey, you, get to class.
Where are you going, honey?
I'm late for work, meeting with Dan.
Is everything okay?
I need to talk to you about something odd, but it's gonna have to wait till later. Have a good day.
Okay. Have a good day.
Blair, I need you to pay attention. I need you to do me a favor.
One second, Lucci. Can you get me those grips?
Yeah, but look, you know what? I really need you.
And the WD-40.
I need some condoms now.
You? Why do you need condoms right this second?
Look, can you just go and get some condoms?
If you tell me why you need them.
Okay, well, there's someone in my house, and in that house there's a room. And in that room there's a bed, and on that bed there's
What's
someone.
she like?
Oh, she's an artist. Crazy freak. Now go, come on, go.
It's your lucky day. I think a rep gave me a trial pack. They're in my coat pocket. I'll go get them.
Good morning, Mrs. Vernon. I love your bush.
Sorry, buddy. They're not in my coat. I don't know where they could have gone.
What? How don't you have condoms?
I don't know where they went.
Probably one of your whorish kids took them.
Maybe, yeah. Or maybe it was you, Mrs. Vernon.
Crazy old bag.
Crazy old bag who may have a point. How old is Casey now?
It's 14.
Yeah, well, you'd better get used to those condoms going missing a lot more often now.
Casey? No way.
Huh? Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna take this and maybe a few of these, and I'll see what I can do. Hey, you got some grays coming in.
Lucci, get out of here.
So if you're gonna need that prop, then I guess we'll give you a little bit more room on your camera right.
That's fine, as long as the audience can see the whole thing.
Michelle, someone's on line 3 for you.
Not now, Amanda, just take a message. Sorry, I think that would be perfect. Thanks.
Michelle? Is everything all right?
I think Casey might be having sex.
Casey.
I found some condoms this morning.
Oh. Yeah? But isn't Casey in like grade 6?
He started high school this year.
Oh.
Great.
Oh, hang on. Why can't they be Blair's?
No. We have a very strict policy that all materials stay at the office.
I mean for, personal use?
No. When Blair and I were finished having kids, he got the old snipperoo.
Oh.
And Karli and I are past secrets, although I suppose it's possible. I don't want to believe it, but there's only one answer.
Hey, it's okay. So just talk to him.
I will. It's just a big step that I was not ready for with Casey. I mean, Blair and I give people advice about these kinds of situations all the time, but I am just having a tough time getting to grips with it in my own life.
It had to come sooner or later. What do we always do when we're stressed?
Power walk.
Power walk! Let's walk it out.
Okay guys, for homework I want you to read Great Gatsby, pages 140 to 150, and then after that do questions 4 to 10. And then, I know that's a lot of work, however, we can do this. After that we're gonna
Mr. Crane, could you please send Karli Graham to the office?
Okay, yeah, right away. Karli, you can get your stuff and head down, okay? And then after you get the questions done, guys, don't forget about the paragraph assignment, okay? And what you want to do is don't forget each paragraph has to be 5 sentences.
Please tell me you didn't call in pretending to be my parents.
Hello, I'm calling from Sexperts.
Jay!
What are you gonna do? Go back and listen to Mr. Crane for another hour? Come on, Levine isn't gonna be here for much longer, okay? Let's go.
You know my parents are already on my case about all this school crap.
Chad, since you don't seem to need to hear what I have to say, you must know the answer. Why don't you come up and show us?
Yes, Miss Jensen.
Yeah! Almost. The answer is actually 4.
You probably don't even know what 69ing is.
Of course you would.
Of course you wouldn't.
Well, maybe I should tune into your parents' show and find out, dweeb.
Well, maybe you should. 69ing is actually when two people can have oral sex at the same time.
That's enough.
Come on, Miss J. You know what I'm talking about.
Out now. Both of you get to the office.
Ooh, damn. Look what you did now, Sexpert.
Relax, Karli, we're clear.
Jay, just drive, okay? If I get caught, my mom's gonna kill me. I don't know about this.
Come on, we're seeing Nathan Levine, okay? We might never get to see him again. Oh, and this might be fate, but I think your dream boy just pulled up.
Shut up! At least he probably smells better than you do.
I call that stress power.
You burn it all off?
I feel great. It's so nice to get away, even if it's just for 15 minutes.
I know. Back to reality.
Oh, it's school.
Michelle Graham here. You're kidding. Yep, I can be there in about 10 to 20. Is that okay? Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Casey or Karli?
Casey. I have to go pick him up. Oh, it never ends. I'll see you later.
Okay. Okay, I admit it. This is awesome.
I can't believe you almost stayed in class and missed this.
Yeah, well, if you'd heard my mom this morning. She gave me that let's joke about you skipping class, but if you actually do, I really will kill you kind of attitude.
Look, there's Nathan.
Shh, don't draw attention. The first time he sees me needs to be right.
Excuse me, everyone, if I can just have your attention for just a second. This is a pretty big day for me. This is a lot of long nights, and a lot of thought has been put into every single.
Hey, Karli, isn't that your neighbor?
Is that
Damn it! I can't let him see me here.
Are you kidding me? You're worried about him telling on you? Come on, would you really care?
He can't keep his mouth shut.
Well, just say you won't tell anyone you saw him with a hooker.
I'm not sure he'd be ashamed of that. Anyways, I'm gonna make a break for the bathroom. Give me 5 minutes to think and then meet me outside, okay?
Okay.
Oh no. Not you guys too. Hello?
Hi, honey. What are you up to?
I'm just going out to buy some dye.
Okay. I'm on my way to pick up Casey from school. He got in trouble again.
Is everything all right?
I think we need to have a chat with Casey. I have to go, though. We can talk at dinner.
See you soon.
Okay, bye.
Your neighbor is such a creep.
I know. I still can't believe we saw him there. My parents only have like 3 friends.
Don't worry about it, we're safe.
Didn't your parents just fix this thing?
It's a piece of junk.
Well, is it gonna start?
Doesn't look like it. Come on, let's get out and try and fix it.
Ugh, I knew this wasn't a good idea.
So what happened, Casey?
It's not a big deal. I don't want to talk about it.
It is a big deal when I get pulled out of work to come pick you up. You need to remember that some things you may think are funny are rude, so just keep them in your head, all right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. So did you see your friend from the picture at school today?
Chloe? Yeah, I saw her.
You know that you guys can have fun by just spending time together, right?
Yeah, I know.
And that even though you know more than most kids, that doesn't mean that you can act older.
Are we still talking about Chloe?
If there's anything you want to talk about, anything at all, you and her or anything else, I'm always here, Casey.
Mom, what are you talking about?
Casey, this is a big deal.
Is that Karli?
What?
Is that my mom?
Hey, Mrs. Graham.
Karli, what the hell is going on? What happened?
We just left school for a couple of minutes. We were on our way back and Jay's car broke down. We were just getting something to eat.
Something to eat or skipping to see an art show? What did I say this morning?
Chill out, Mom, okay? Either way, it doesn't matter.
Karli, do not tell me to chill out right now. Jay, are you going to be able to get that thing started to get home, or do you need a ride?
I don't know, Mrs. G. It's kind of iffy.
Well, why don't you just call CAA?
Casey, get in the car. Karli, you too. Jay, get in the car. I'll drop you off at home.
Casey, go upstairs and get your father for dinner.
Okay. Dad, dinner time.
Close the door. Casey, I meant come in here, then close the door.
Oh,
How's school going?
it's good. Miss Jensen doesn't like me anymore, though.
Why's that?
I don't know.
Listen, kiddo, we need to have a talk.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you do? So, what do you have to say about it?
I don't know, shouldn't have done it.
Why did you then?
Well, sometimes kids at school just assume I know everything about sex, so sometimes I like to play the part.
Casey, you're much too young to know everything.
Okay, Dad, I know today wasn't my first time. Just believe me, it won't happen again.
You used them?
Use them?
The condoms.
Are we still talking about Mrs. Jensen?
Oh, I sure hope not. Oh, wait. What? We're gonna talk more about this. So how was your day, honey?
Anything you want to tell your father, Karli?
Oh no, what happened?
Nothing.
She skipped class again.
For the art show?
Maybe.
There are too many secrets in this house. Karli, you need to start being honest.
Great, more advice.
You have to listen to us sometimes.
I think I hear enough about you and your advice at school.
What's that supposed to mean?
Hey, Karli, your parents said we should practice safe sex.
Honey.
Who said that?
Don't think you're out of hot water, mister.
Okay, Mom, it's not a big deal. The only reason Principal Boyer called you down there is because he's got a crush on you or something.
Don't talk about your principal like that.
I get sent to the office, and Boyer calls Mom in, of all people. He didn't even ask if you were available.
Casey, stop it.
Casey, you're missing the point.
Yeah.
You got in trouble at school today. That's the problem.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Plus our little chat earlier.
What chat?
Don't worry about it. Casey and me are taking care of it.
No secrets. Speaking of which, maybe we should talk about our conversation that we didn't get a chance to finish.
What? You want me to say something?
Casey, some of my condoms went missing.
Some of your condoms went missing?
Oh my God.
From the coat closet?
Yeah. You know about that?
Well, I found some condoms in the closet this morning.
You're like 10.
I'm
Do
14.
you even know what they're for yet?
They weren't even mine.
Yeah, right.
Hey, easy.
So you knew about the condoms?
Yeah, they were in my pocket from my lunch with Jerry.
What were you and Jerry doing, Dad?
Ew! He's a sales rep, honey.
Sorry, so that's what you wanted to talk about?
Yeah, that's right.
But why would you think I took them?
Well, I saw that picture of your girlfriend.
Oh, Mom!
You never know. You are a troublemaker sometimes.
Don't worry, Mom. It's only in my dreams.
Now is not the time.
No, it isn't.
Case, you want to go get that?
Sure, I'll get it.
Hey, brother.
Hey, Lucci, I'll just go grab my dad.
Yeah. Oh, listen. I hope you're putting your dad's wrappers to good use, because you left me in a bit of a tight spot today.
Okay.
Hey, Lucci.
Hey, garage beers.
I don't know.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Casey, go ahead. Karli and I will finish this up. Karli, the only reason why I get upset at you is because I care.
I know, Mom. But sometimes I feel like I know what's important to me and what's not. And you don't give me that credit. You worry too much.
Is this about college?
I don't know.
Honey, no one is ever sure. But that doesn't mean that you have to start closing doors. You have 1 year left. Then you have the rest of your life to be an artist if that's what you want.
Okay, Mom. Would you believe me if I said it wouldn't happen again?
That's all I'm asking.
Mom, you're gonna kill me if you squeeze any harder.
Group hug? Sweet!